Welcome back. In most cases, if you don't choose to upgrade using Jasper's features, you are going to start with templates. And you're going to come to the template section. One of the first sections that you have available to you is the advertising section. What you'll notice here is that the command section is here. And really, if you go to any one of these sections, you'll see the commands area. So the commands are not peculiar to any one section. They're actually available in all of the sections. Basically, you're going to go to the commands section. And what you're going to do is you're going to give Jasper some information up to 800 characters. Once you have given Jasper background information, you will then write a command for Jasper to write some kind of content for you. You'll determine the language that you want. You'll determine how many times you want the content to be given to you in an output form. In this case, we've chosen 3. Once we've done that, we can then click Generate. And we will then wait for Jasper to create our content. You will then see your different levels of output. And you can choose the one that you like best. And what you can do is you can then tell Jasper which one is best by upvoting one, and you can downvote the other. You can then copy your content, and then you can add it to your document software for storage. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.